What if the key to a thriving future isn't competition, but collaboration? What if true wealth isn't measured in dollars, but in the strength of our relationships, the vitality of our ecosystems, and the creativity we bring to the world? In a time when old systems are breaking down, a new way of living is emerging. One rooted in generosity, reciprocity, and the natural flow of energy. How can we step into a gift-based economy that restores harmony between humanity and the earth? Welcome to the Future of Regenerative Culture, co-creating a thriving planet.